What is it? What is it?
Yeah, what is it? Cool.
Oh, look at this little Gumball something.
That is cute.
Gumball.
Open it up.
Open it up there, Annette.
Oh my gosh.
Woo!
It's got green stuff.
Look at that.
Awesome.
Fistful of dollars.
Money. It's money.
And how much?
$7.
So you got $5.
Awesome.
Great.
What do you
I
say,
can give you
Natalie?
$5. That's
I know, just where you
Natalie,
put that.
what do you say?
I don't know what that's for, but it looked like
It's
stuff
your
for a kid.
makeup pen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or your treasures and your, you know,
I
that you
think
don't want
it's
your
for
brothers.
I think it's for girls that go to
My
do
cousin
the
has
little
one.
beauty pageants and that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I can see that.
There you go. I can see her taking that.
Yeah. She can put all of her lip gloss in there that she
Yeah.
has, and
Next, are you ready for some more? Yes. I am ready for some more.
Oh.
I don't want cake.
I know.
You don't want cake?
I don't like cake.
Okay.
Oh, good. I'll remember that when your birthday comes. I won't give you any cake.
Origami. I'm gonna have
oh,
cupcakes.
cool.
No, yeah, that's the same thing.
Ooh, origami.
Easy origami.
Awesome.
You can make little people. You can make
All right, quick.
Can you make a duck?
Make me a dragon.
Oh, that'll be great. Because they love making
Yes.
the airplanes.
Yes.
So they love doing all the
Steelers
pulls,
just
so that's
returned it.
perfect.
Very